If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. If you don't know what Inktober is a challenge for all artists around the world, beginner or experienced, where we post either a picture or a video of an ink drawing for every day of Inktober. Now, you can either do it randomly or you can follow the same list I've been following for years. I also have a playlist on my channel where I did Inktober for 2021, 2022 and 2023. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. Day 25 of Inktober, the Troodon. So I've heard from Method, who is another YouTuber that also draws dinosaurs, so make sure to check him out if you really like dinosaur drawings and stuff like that. But he told me that the Troodon is actually not a real dinosaur anymore. It's not considered to be its own species, and apparently it's like some kind of other species that branches off to something else. So, but still, I had to draw this just to make sure that I draw the same dinosaur every single year, right? And I've been drawing this dinosaur for a couple of years now. I don't think I drew this dinosaur past year, so I don't have a good comparison to like if I've improved or not, but maybe we're gonna use this one next year. I must say that this is not my best drawing. I did this drawing in only 34 minutes, something like that, which is pretty fast if you consider that it has color and it's not a bad drawing. It's just that I was too lazy with the coloring. I didn't do my research on like well, basically this is like a jungle kind of setting, and I don't know how to draw jungles, but I tried my best, and I think that it did turn out pretty decent. It's just that the coloring is maybe a little bit too dark, and I guess I just need to gain a lot more experience drawing jungles and stuff like that. But here we go, we're going to be coloring the Troodon. And I really like this pose. I truly really like this pose. And I also like the coloring on it, but I think that the shading is a little too dark compared to the setting that it's in. I mean, of course it's going to be darker because of the fact that the background is darker, the environment is darker. There's a lot more shadow that it's like, that's like falling on top of this dinosaur. But, I think it's like pretty decent. It's alright. Eventually I'm gonna go over it with like a white gel pen to make sure that you can clearly see the difference between the dinosaur and the background, which is a shame because if if you use too much of highlights, then it's gonna look less realistic and more cartoonish. But yeah, I really like this drawing, to be honest, but it's just a 30-minute drawing, so it's not gonna be as good as all my other drawings. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.